Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls and Stahls Transfer Express, and I've been educating people through video for the past 10 years on how to print high-quality t-shirts. Now, I'm excited to introduce to you a new heat press that we manufacture. It's called the A2Z heat press. That's because it can print everything from A to Z. And best off, it fits in a small space. This is a high-quality machine, it's made in the USA, and you can really create products that can generate repeat customers. Let me show you how it works. The first thing I want you to notice about this machine is that it swings away. This gives me a complete heat-free workspace to place my t-shirts and also to position my design. I have a high-quality t-shirt here that I'm just going to load onto the press and make sure my pressing area is completely flat by just draping the collar off of the back edge of the press. I programmed the press to 360 degrees. It has accurate digital time, and we know that's exactly the temperature that it is anywhere on this heat pressing surface. I'm going to preheat my garment by locking it down for just a few seconds and then open the machine. There's a nice handle to swing the machine away, and then I'm going to position my design. This is a screen printed transfer, and we make them from transferexpress.com. This is actual screen printing ink, and the big secret here is that you can now screen print from home with this machine with the same durability that you see in the retail store. Position your design where you'd like it onto your garment. Bring the heat press back into the location and lock it down. This transfer only takes 4 to 6 seconds to heat apply. Once it's complete, I open the press and I peel the back of my design. And I have a design that sticks and it stays through many washes. Now, not only can this press print screen printed transfers, it can also print heat transfer vinyl. To heat apply the version of heat transfer vinyl that we have, I'm going to go ahead and reduce the temperature on my digital control board down to 300 degrees. And we will set the timer for 10 seconds. We're going to apply a glitter design that's been cut on my Silhouette Cameo vinyl cutter. We'll wait for the press to cool down, and I'll show you how to print a bag. When printing an item like a bag, there is a lot of seam structure. So it's not just a product you can lay on top of a press and be able to print with any accuracy, because you need to get your item flat. Now, the A to Z heat press has a semi-threadable design. That means when we look underneath it, we can actually split our item open, whether that's from the front or from the back, to load it easier, to get rid of that bulk and seam. Let me show you how it works. You just split the item open, and we are going to slide it up on the press. That gets me the start of a flat printing area, and then I'll either take a heat printing pillow or what we call a print perfect pad, and I'll slide it under the item to make sure that that print location, which is right here with my monogram glitter design, is higher, it's raised versus all of these seams. Now, this heat press does have an adjustable pressure. It's right here on the back of the machine. And it's okay that it's on the back because it is a swing away style press that locks straight down when you're using it. So I'll bring the machine over center. I'm going to retract the pressure just by turning this counterclockwise. And I'm going to lock the machine down to get a feel for the pressure, and I'll just make adjustments until I get an accurate pressure on the print location that I want to use. I have the machine set. We'll position our glitter heat transfer vinyl design. We will bring the press back over center, and I'll press it for the 300 degrees for 10 seconds. So whether you want to decorate t-shirts or bags, you can do it on the A to Z heat press, screen printed transfers, or heat transfer vinyl very accurately. After it's been applied, I'll peel the backing while it's hot for this design, and I have a high quality completed result. Very easy to do. Let's move on to our next item. Team uniforms are a big opportunity for your heat press business. I'm going to decorate this mesh polyester football jersey with a product called thermofilm in pre-cut numbers. For this, I'll need another tool that's a heat printing pillow. The heat printing pillow is going to slide into your jersey to separate the layers of mesh so that they don't stick together when it comes to applying your design. So I'll just slide the pillow in, center the jersey onto my press. Again, I'll swing the press back around and conduct a preheat. I have a nice 15 by 15 inch printing surface, which is going to give me plenty of room to be able to decorate with single or double digit numbers. These come loose with the adhesive on the back. I'll position that into place. In this case, I'll use a craft paper cover sheet, and then I'll heat apply. Thermofilm applies for 8 seconds. Lock the machine down. It will count down to 0 and beep when it's completed. Now let's flip the jersey to be able to print the back. I just need to make some slight readjustments to my pillow. Make sure I can see my print location. Also going to preheat the back. Position my back number into place. Cover and heat apply. Thermofilm is the fastest, easiest way to number athletic uniforms, and the A2Z heat press makes applying thermofilm numbers easier than ever. For the next item, I want to show you how to decorate a jacket. This is a quarter zip, so we're going to utilize our semi-threadable design and be able to split the jacket over the bottom to load it on. And there's still some seams up on the pressing area and zippers, so I'll take my Print Perfect pad, I'll slide it inside of my jacket into the left chest print location that I'm trying to hit to make sure my pressure is accurate. Again, any pressure adjustment can be made on the press. And this heat press is capable of applying any transfer type. In this case, we're using a digital full color transfer to put a company logo onto this item. It's a nice 15 by 15 inch printing surface. It allows me to see the placement of my design, make sure it's lined up correctly, cover, and heat apply. A high quality completed result. Now that you know the products that you can create, let's take a look at all of the features on the A2Z heat press. First, it has digital time and temperature, which produce accurate quality results. 2, it has a pressure adjustment that allows the machine to be raised and lowered to adjust the pressure and to accommodate the thickness of your item or Print Perfect pad or heat printing pillow. The press features a nice swing away design that allows for a completely heat-free workspace for both placing your graphic and also being able to see over top of your item for alignment. Next, the press has a convenient handle to be able to return the machine back to the pressing location, and a shovel handle design with a foam pad to make for comfort when you're locking down the machine. The base of the press is semi-threadable, allowing you to split your item and print more items than ever before. We say everything from A to Z. Also, this machine has interchangeable attachments. There's a knob underneath the lower platen that allows you to remove the 15 by 15 attachment and load another size if you need to for printing your item. And last but not least, this is made in the USA, which means quality, accuracy, and durability. Not only of the machine itself, but also of the products that you create. And that's why the A2Z heat press is the heat press to get you into the custom printing business. Don't be fooled by other presses at lower price tags. They're inferior machines, and the items that you create will not last. We guarantee our press to print items that are highly durable and that will last. So whether you want to enter the corporate market with full color logos, the souvenir market, or print your own t-shirt line, athletics and spirit wear with team uniforms, or items for high-end custom gifting, the heat press is capable of doing it all, and we can help. Look at the links down in the description of this video to get more information on this heat press and how to start your own t-shirt business. Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, offering you the best heat press education available on the internet. If you like the content you just watched, make sure you click the like button at the bottom of the video. Also, subscribe to our channel. We publish new content all the time. It's our full-time job helping you to be successful in your apparel decorating business.